Bonnie with the Pioneer Library System, and today I'm going to perform a magic trick. Well, it's not really a magic trick, it's more like a science experiment. That's why I'm dressed more like a scientist than a magician. With this trick, experiment, I will show you how I can pick up this bottle full of rice with one and only one chopstick. Now, the science I will use to do this amazing trick will involve the properties of density and friction. If you would like to do this experiment, you will need to have the following supplies. A plastic bottle, one with a wide mouth works best, enough rice to fill your bottle, a chopstick. If you don't have a chopstick, a pencil will work, and a funnel. As you can see, I can't even pick up 1 grain of rice with this chopstick. How am I going to pick up this whole bottle filled with rice? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is put the funnel in the bottle. Then I'll pour the rice into the funnel. I can only put a little rice in at a time because it clogs up the funnel. I have to tap it against the side of the bottle to empty it. I'm going to finish filling the bottle at warp speed. Now remember, I'm going to use density and friction to do this experiment. Well, density is how much mass is in a space, which is the volume. To help you understand this, I'm going to use rice as the mass, and the space inside the bottle is the volume. The more mass or rice inside the bottle, or volume, the higher the density. Notice that I tap the bottle on the table to settle the rice. That's so the rice will squish closer together and I can put more rice in the bottle. I want it to have a high density. When the bottle is almost full, I push on the rice and squish the rice together. Remember, the more rice or mass in the bottle or volume, the higher the density. I want to pack as much rice into the bottle as I can. The more I pack it down, the more dense it becomes. So I'm pushing down hard. Now let's see if I've made it dense enough. I'm going to push the chopstick into the rice. It's hard to push in, so that means it's pretty dense. That's good. Now that it's all the way into the bottle, I can pick it up with one chopstick. The friction caused by the dense rice pushing against the chopstick is why I can pick up the bottle and the chopstick doesn't come out. See, it's like magic, but it's really science. If you'd like to learn more science, I recommend checking out Brainfuse. Just go to pioneerlibrarysystem.org, online learning resources, research and homework, educators and students, Brainfuse, SkillSurfer, upper elementary school, and science. Now, if you enjoyed this video, like and share below, and look for more Pioneer Library System YouTube videos.